mining in a not really far cave over there, and we actually found 32 iron. Guys, I think this is crazy, but I'll see you when it's dinner time. So how many cobble do I have? I have not enough for what I wanted to make. Oh yeah, it is enough for what I wanted to make. That's all I have, guys. Subscribe for my decoration skills. Breed. Oh no. It was hurting me or something. Okay, so the penguin skin. Okay. Oh, were you watching me? I know that was so risky. Could be my big girl. Where's my chicken? Okay. So we are chicken can we like move? Thank you. Like a little share. I don't know. You were too beautiful, girl. You got me too sad. Too sad. 3, 4, 5, and 7. So there you go. It's almost done. You're way too beautiful, girl. You got me. Wow. So it's gonna be 9. So 9. So it's 9, okay? Then I'm doing 9. 17, 18, 19, 20, 45. Yeah, we're gonna be able to make an anvil. Come on. I'm making an anvil. Okay, fine, whatever. 1, 2, 3. There you go. And now we have 5 more hours just into sun. Chicken. Okay. Oh my god. You're way too beautiful, girl. So I make this little road and so we can make an anvil. Oh guys, we got an anvil. Oh my god, yes. Guys, we got an anvil. Experience. Okay, so I need to put all of this back. And I don't know what else. How do I make a name tag? Name tag. So I'll be back. I am back, and I didn't know how to make a name tag. So I went on YouTube and tried to see how to do it, but it didn't work. So you guys need to leave it down in the comments. If I don't see how to do it, I might need to cheat. So I think that's gonna be all for this video. So yeah, guys, hope you enjoyed. Subscribe and bye.